Hi, this is Jessie Neese from the Tech Teach Grow team, here with another tech tip of the week.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to head back to Canva to look at what are some of the other wonderful things that Canva has to offer you as an educator. So let's go ahead and navigate to canva.com. Again, you should be signed in, but if you have to sign in again with your Google single sign-on, that's great. One more time for those of you who have not yet set an account for yourselves or have previously set an account for yourselves and now want to unlock the features that are available to you as an educator, you're going to go into your account settings and identify yourself as a teacher. That will unlock free premium content for you. Back here in Canva, one of the things that I experienced as a teacher was every year I was looking for what are the new themes for classroom decor that are going to come out, and how quickly can I get to one of the stores or get online to find a cute one that I liked and kind of change the theme up for my year. Well, Canva allows you to create those for yourselves. So we're going to go to templates here. And beneath Browse by Subject, which one more time is a way of narrowing your filtering results for the content which you teach, there's also classroom decor kits. So pre-designed classroom decor kits, from posters to nameplates to letters, all sorts of things here that you can begin with or then begin to change and alter to suit your needs and your design features that you want to see in your classroom for the upcoming year. So let's take a look. Here is one that is forest themed. And you're going to see here, once you click on it, you have anything from posters to slide decks to nameplates to desktop backgrounds to let's see here. There's labels for you, letters that you go through, class schedules, all sorts of things that are already themed out for you. So once you pick one, then you have the opportunity to then download these, send them off to print shop, and have them ready for you come fall for you to load into your classroom. And you can decide which ones of those you like. So if we have math homework here, here's like some labels that we can use in our classroom, have those printed out for us. We can change our theme up here and kind of peruse some of the other themes that have already been pre-designed for us. There's rainbows, there's camping, there's green nature, there's even like succulents and cactus. Anyway, lots of different themes for you. Name tags that you can take on, Google Classroom headers so you can change the look and design of your Google Classroom or your Google site that you've created for your students. Lesson plan templates, beautiful, beautiful resources. And again, these are free for you. And once you're in here, all you need to do is customize your templates. It'll make a copy for you that stays in your Canva folders. Anything that you hover over and see surrounded in purple is an element that you can then change and decide if you want to add something else. You can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the effect or animation if you want it to be animated and stay digital. Once you've decided on something that you like, you've effectively changed the room number and your name and the grade you teach. Then you can go here to share and then download. Download here will offer you a lot of settings here. You can download as a JPEG, a PNG, PDF or print, and so on and so forth. You can even make GIFs for your classroom. For printing in Print Shop, I recommend just a standard print for a PDF. Download that, and then this is the file that you will upload to Print Shop and send off to be printed for your classroom. All right. I hope this gives you a lot of freedom and a lot of inspiration to design your own classroom decor for the 24, 25, 23, 24 school year. All right. Enjoy, everyone.